Well, I wasn't going to video this because I got one video needing to be uploaded, and I got to work on another video. But daughter's car is kind of hard to start. Very a little old, but they said it's still got good charge. Just nasty. So I got my old brush right here, and I'll clean the top of the post and terminals right here. Just to undo those and use some sandpaper to go around the post on that and then inside the terminals. But I got a tube, silver tube, about yay big. One end, it's got a lid on it. Part the lid off. It's got like a brass brush on it, rounded, so you get in between the terminals here, and the post has got an open end, female end, where you put on top of the post and turn it around and get it all nice and clean. The only problem is I can't find it. So I'm using a raw brush, and I'm fixing to take the post off and use sandpaper on the inside. Figured y'all might like to see this, some of y'all that's never worked on a battery before. This is my daughter's 2009 Toyota Camry LE. Using a 10mm socket on this. Get the bolts undone. You know, I need to take these back to Lowe's. I've had these since I was 16. I'm telling my age now. I'm knocking 50. But they've been pretty good ratchets. Alrighty. Make sure they don't touch nothing. So. Oh, you're nice and corroded. Right there. Ah, come on, man. Okay, cool. Got that one off too. Ah, come on. Woo, look at that. I ain't gonna bore you with everything. I'm just gonna get these, the brush, hit those with the sandpaper, and we'll bring you back and let you look at the end result. Well, we're brushed two posts. Took sandpaper, got to hold the inside, as you can see. Feels pretty clean. I don't know if you can see this side of here. It was nasty, like some on the side of there, but I got it pretty clean. Brush the top of this post, sandpaper the inside of it. Oh man, look at that, that's nice. Sandpaper the inside, brush the bottom. Put this post back on. Nice tight. Push nice and tight. I'll probably get some petroleum jelly and rub it across the top of the post to help keep it from corroding. But I've been touching them again, so I'll put them on. This battery 114, so it won't be much longer. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This battery should be giving the ghost a purry as soon as it gets cold. It's a pretty old battery. That's fine. Once it goes out, I'll put a new one on there. Put the gunk on it. Should be ready to go. Oh, all I gotta do now is tighten these bad boys back up. Now notice that this bird keeper is loose. Try to tighten that one down and go from a wrench, tighten that one down. But yep, gotta fix that. Look, I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but that's not on there correctly. It's got a little gap in it. There we go. Anyway, I put these on there and then we're trying to start this bad boy up. I guess you can see my ratchet's messed up again. This lock mechanism is messed up on this one. And then on my big one right here, you get that one places like it's supposed to, but you get too much of a load on it, yeah, pop you. Where pop loose and free spinning, you can see I already caught my knuckle right there, right below my knuckle. Working on the studs on the car and brakes. I heard Lowe's to take the ratchets back and replace them, so I gotta do that this weekend or so. I gotta use both hands on this, so we'll do that. We'll get these all buttoned up and we'll fire up together and see how she looks like. Alrighty, we got her buttoned up. Let's see. This right here is 10mm also. I'll cut it down. I'll push it some more. That's the cone. There's that down there. Like I said, part of me replacing that barrel soon. Cleaned up. Close it. Yep. Yep. Nice and closed. Nice closed. Thinking about getting rid of the F-150 there. That my son, we bought it for my son, he didn't want it. Thinking about getting me a Ford F-250 diesel, 4x4. But that's neither here nor there. Let's take this baby down the road and see how she does. Like I always say, I appreciate you watching my videos. Why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you can keep you connected with what I upload later on. If you get a laugh out of this, that's good. If you learn something, that's even better. But the most important thing is, I'm having fun doing this. So as soon as we take it for a test drive, I'll park her. I gotta go in the house, get cleaned up, get me a bite to eat. Now you get ready to go to work this afternoon. So once again, God bless y'all and stay safe.